everyone. Welcome to our another exciting episode. And today we have very special guest. She is an aspirant of flying agency and she want to be a cabin crew. And now she will tell us about her journey, about her English journey, her about her dreams and many more things. So welcome to our podcast. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good. Okay, ma'am. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Saloni. I am from Naya Akola. Currently, I'm pursuing BCom and I'm passionate about customer service. I want to become a cabin crew.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. What made you decide to join our classes?
Because I want to improve my English and communication. I want to become a cabin crew, so they require English.
Okay.
So that's why I want to join.
Okay. Ma'am, one more thing I want to ask you. Before joining these classes, have you faced some difficulties or challenges in your English?
Yes. Before joining these classes, I face many difficulties. I could not able to speak in front of a people, and sometimes I hesitate.
Okay.
After joining this class, I did not fear of public speaking, and
Okay.
I'm improving myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, tell me one more thing. See, that's very great. I heard that you want to be a cabin crew,
Yeah.
and see, this is a very passionating field. Ma'am, why did you choose to become a cabin crew?
Because I like helping people and I'm interesting about customer service.
Okay.
That's why I want to become a cabin
Okay,
crew. Yeah.
that's great, ma'am.
Yeah.
And another thing, tell me one thing that you have learned from these our classes.
One thing that I learned here, um, that I improve myself and I learn a lot of things like how to speak English
Mhm.
confidently.
Yes.
And also improve my communication skill.
Yeah.
And how and there are a lot of things I improved.
Ma'am, tell me one thing that is, have you ever feel that your confidence get boost and all?
Yes, I feel my confidence is improved here. Before joining this class, my confidence is not that much good, but
Yes,
after
yes.
joining, I feel very confident.
Okay. Ma'am, what do you like about your classes?
I like about this classes this teaching way, and
Yes.
I understand very well.
Yeah.
Yes,
That means his teaching style is very different and unique.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And tell me something about the atmosphere of the classes. That means, tell me about your first day of the classes and how did you feel that time? And have you feel some fear or nervousness?
Yes,
Tell
of
me,
course.
ma'am.
I feel little bit nervous,
Yes.
but after talking to sir, I feel confident and I give the presentation.
Yes.
And the first class they teaches me the grammar rule and I explain in a board and I feel very confident at that time.
Okay. Ma'am, tell me some experiences of your life that you want to share with me so that I and our viewers will make sure that we will implement these all things in us. So tell me one or two experience that is beneficial for you as well as me also.
Some initial thing. Sorry, but I couldn't understand.
Okay, no issue, ma'am. That just one strength you can share with me or one thought you can share with me.
My ones.
Yes, your thing.
My strength is my confident, and because of my confident, I can able to
Connect with people. Yes, yes, ma'am. According to me, also confidence is very important.
Yes.
See, you have very confident women. I have seen now, and ma'am, please tell me some your opinion on English. Why English is important? Because see, there are so many languages we have in our country, and which are so beautiful. But why you think that English is so good, so important? Do you think that English is necessary for us?
Yeah, it's necessary because it's a global language and it's used in a very every different every countries and
Yeah.
every sector.
Hmm.
Because of English, we can boost our confidence and we can get our job in international countries.
Yes.
So English is very important.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
If you want to suggest your friend some suggestions related to the English classes, what will you tell to your friend about our classes?
I definitely suggest my friend to join these classes because the teaching way and I'm improving myself. I
Yeah.
tell them how I'm improving their teaching way and all the things.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Uh, just play with the rapid fire now.
Okay.
See, I'll ask you the question and you have to just answer it fast. Okay. Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
English or grammar?
English.
Hindi or Marathi?
Marathi.
International or national?
International.
Okay. And one more thing, one word for your class teacher.
One word for class. The teacher.
You can say amazing, fantastic, anything. See, you can use a funny word also because we
Okay.
are just playing with each other. So just tell me one word for your teacher.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Wow, so good. See, our viewers, see, our teacher is excellent, huh?
Yeah.
And another thing is that tell me one word for your friend.
One word for my friend. He's very good.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. See, or one more thing, we confidence or persistence.
Confidence.
Confidence. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. We have such a great pleasure to have you in my dice. And see, viewers, today we talk many more things with our guest, and I'm so lucky to have you, ma'am, with us. And you shared a lot about our your journey, as well as I know that you will be a very great cabin crew, and wish you all the best for your future, ma'am. Thank you so much.